day! Have you ever have you ever tried crying? Like, forcing yourself to cry? Alam niyo ako minsan, kapag galit ako sa mundo, not necessarily galit ako sa mundo, pero parang pag feeling ko, I have these ideas about pag may kaaway ako or may sama ako ng loob with someone, or yung kapag yung utak ko is full of hate for no apparent reason and for no person in particular. Alam niyo yung ginagawa ko? I force myself to cry. I don't know. For some reason, I feel na forcing and inducing to cry, parang it's a reminder na it's okay to feel bad, it's okay to feel sad. So, like kanina, sobrang sakit na ulo ko. Like, I don't know why. Sabi ng brother ko, baka daw I have electrolyte imbalance. So, he gave me lots of sachets ng electrolyte powder. So, kanina, uminom ako. Nilagay ko siya sa water jug, and then, uminom ako. And hindi nawala yung sakit na ulo ko. So, sabi ko, baka naiinitan ako. So, I have this spray in a bottle. And, it's minty. So, lumalamig yung feeling ko for that. The way they market it is called an aircon in a bottle. It really gives you a cooling effect, like less than 10 minutes. So, it's good enough, right? It's cooler than sa Lompas. So, ganito. Hindi nawala. So, sabi ko, baka gutom ako. So, kumain ako. Nawala siya a little bit, pero yung pain niya, alam niyo yung parang siyang naglalakad from likod papunta sa harap. So, parang ganun yung pain niya. And it got to a point na parang I want to throw up. So, sabi ko, it's migraine. It's migraine or it's high blood. Because hypertension runs in the family. Because I was watching this video sa Facebook, and